Hello and welcome to Insights by IND Money, where we cover and break down the latest stock market trends just for you. Well, did you know that you can invest in defense stocks through the Nifty India Defense Index? Had you invested in this index a year ago, you would have grown your money by 3 times. An investment of rupees 1 lakh in this sector would have become nearly rupees 3 lakh in just 1 year. Let's understand why India's defense sector is booming and how you can be a part of this incredible growth story. First, let's look at the facts. India is the world's 4th largest military spender. The budget allocation for the defense sector has increased by nearly 3 times in the last 10 years. To put into perspective, this is equivalent to 1.9% of India's GDP and 13% of central government's expenditure. We have also seen a meteoric rise in our defense exports. While the defense exports touched a record high of around rupees 21,000 crores in the last financial year, the government has an ambitious target to more than double it to over rupees 50,000 crore by financial year 2029. Italy, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Russia, UAE and Spain etc. are some of the major countries that India exports to. So, how can you get a piece of the action? Here comes the Nifty India Defense Index into the picture. Incepted in 2022, it has consistently given better returns than the Nifty 50 index. The index consists of some of the best performing stocks like Hindustan Aeronautics, which makes light combat aircraft such as Tejas and Prachand, Bharat Electronics, that is involved in production of electronic warfare systems like radars, jammers and decoys, Cochin Shipyard and Mazagaon Dock, that manufactures anti-submarine warfare and equipments for the Navy, and Data Patterns, that designs secure communication systems for the Indian Army. These stocks have seen a staggering rise of up to 600% in the last 1 year. Now, if you're interested in exploring these stocks, then quickly check out the link in the description below and don't forget to subscribe to IND Money's YouTube channel for more such informative content.
Investment in the securities market is subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.